Well, hello, loves. How are you today? Welcome to Sophisticated Country, where we talk about all things makeup for mature skin and the wonderful things that come with aging. My name's Clara. Welcome to the channel. So, normally I use a foundation brush, and I have lately been seeing that my foundation is not applying the way that I would like it to. So, I thought that I would try a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and see how my products are applying to my skin with that. I know things change the older we get, so I may be just needing to adjust my routine, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to try and figure out if a beauty blender is maybe what I need at the moment. So if that's something that interests you, stick around. We're going to talk about it. I have my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NW22, and we are going to apply this bad dog with a damp beauty blender. I'm also going to use my Incognito with the Wet n Wild Incognito concealer. And we're going to do just a really simple, easy, no muss, no fuss makeup look today. I don't want to go into the whole, um, eye makeup and all of that kind of stuff. We're gonna be hanging out at home, but I really wanted to try and see what this particular technique worked like with MAC. And this is what the amount that we're going to use. And I actually just kind of blend it into my palm and let it warm up a bit so it's a little bit easier to apply. And then we're just going to go with the flow and apply it with my beauty blender. I do really like MAC products. I know that isn't something that we've talked about much on this channel, but I do love MAC. I just wish that it were, and it's not like outrageous as far as price goes, but it is more pricey than what e.l.f. and Wet n Wild and things like that are. You might need just a touch more. And of course, I have already applied all of my products, my moisturizer and my hyaluronic acid serum and my eye serum. And as you can see, this application is very sheer and very like nothing on your skin, which some days I really, really like that idea. I don't want to walk out of the house, needing to be in full glam. Don't forget to go down your neck because you know she needs love too. And MAC is definitely buildable. This is a buildable foundation. I just don't want to go into all of that today. I just want a nice kind of blended look where I'm not, all these wonderful little blemishes that I have are not like the star of the show today. So I just want to kind of even everything out today. So I'm just going to take my concealer, go in like normal. It'll kind of brighten a bit. And I can spot conceal some of those little areas so I don't have to put on too much foundation. And I'm going to let that sit for a second to kind of dry down a bit so I'm not wiping most of my product off with the beauty blender. And loves, you know the drill. If you would, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that we can hang out and talk about makeup for mature skin all the time. That would be fabulous. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you. All right, so we're going to take our beauty blender and we are just going to tap out our concealer. Give us a little bit of lift, the huge. Okay. That's nice. I like that a lot. MAC, I knew I loved you for a reason. So we're going to let that kind of dry down a bit. I like it. I like it a lot. I am just going to put on a little brow. Nothing crazy. So guys, I'm thinking that there is definitely something to a beauty blender. Coverage is really nice. Okay, truly, that's pretty much all I'm going for. So I'm just going to go in with my NYX lip liner in Free Spirit. SMLL52. We're going to line my lips. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen. Just a really pretty nude. And just a touch of e.l.f. Camo Blush. Very little. Okay. And that's it, guys. I'm going to set it with my Natural Finish Setting Mist from Wet n Wild. That should lock in my look for the day. And again, guys, this is just a clean, simple, fresh look. I'm just going to be knocking around the house today. I really was trying to figure out if MAC worked well with my damp beauty blender, and I can tell you that it certainly does. Again, you can still, like I said, I have fine lines, I have wrinkles, I have cracks and crevices, but this does not make them look like a neon sign on my face, which I absolutely love. So I have not found a product that smooths out all of my lines. I just haven't. I have products that I can try or that I have tried that do not accentuate my fine lines. And I find that a liquid foundation works so much better for me than what a powder foundation or even translucent powder, let's say under my eyes. I have not been able to find a translucent powder or a powder that is, it might start off looking really great, and then an hour into it, I will come in, I will look at my makeup, and it has settled into all of the lines, and it really, really accentuates them for me. I haven't found a powder yet. That doesn't mean that it doesn't exist, but I haven't found a powder yet that does not accentuate my fine lines. So if you have, let me know in the comments what product you use and what you have found that is truly a blurring powder. I would love to hear about that so I can try it. So far, I have had 2 different foundations that I have applied with a damp blender sponge. And I can tell you that both of those finishes have been really great on my skin right now. It's very natural, and that's what I am looking for now. So right now, damp beauty blenders, like 10 out of 10 right now. I hope that you have found this video interesting and that you would come back for the next one. I do appreciate you hanging out with me, talking about all things makeup for mature skin. And yeah, until next time, guys, bye.